Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. Today you will be going to learn about law of relativity. The most interesting law of the universe is law of relativity. Everybody in this world is pretty much aware about law of attraction. However, there are 12 universal laws and law of relativity is one of them. So, let's start to understand what is law of relativity. This law advises that we are inclined to compare things in our world. But in reality, everything is unbiased. Reality exists in all things. You just need to understand your perspective and perception. This law helps us to understand that harder parts of our lives with a greater kindness. For example, if we are feeling unmindful for our living situation, it could be because we are comparing our life with someone else. Instead of doing that, we just need to appreciate what we have in our life. You always need to be grateful about what you have in your life without comparing it with someone else. You just need to understand that everything is relative in this world and you cannot question about it. Many people in this world have a habit to manipulate things according to them, as they are not comfortable with the thinking of other people or how things are reacting in a certain manner. They just don't like it. They will start complaining and manipulate things according to them, which is not the correct thing. It is actually okay if you are not happy with something. However, someone else in the world can take a help or advantage of that thing. It is completely fine if you are not comfortable with something. Someone else in the world can be comfortable with things the way they are because it is relative to them and not relative to you. This is how law of relativity works. Just focus on this thing that if you are happy in a certain moment and you meet a person who is completely shattered and off from the mode of happiness, then certainly you are unable to connect with that person, unable to relate with that person at that time, because you both are operating in a different frequencies, and that is the reason you are unable to relate. This is law of relativity. In such cases, you just need to move in instead of trying to turn situation in your favor. Just learn to let it go. It is just like it's all in the way we look at the things. I see lot of the people making someone else wrong when they are not thinking in the same way as you. If you find any situation like this, just slow down and stop yourself. Do not try to judge that person or a situation, as you are unable to relate that situation or that person. Just remember, every single decision you make is relative to some other decision of your life. So, try to be relative towards your goal. Rest things will be taken care by universe. No matter who you are, what you have done, or what you believe, we have source within us. Just believe it and trust the universe.